Let's see how we are going to approach a particular subject in this extensive 50 days schedule. So सबसे पहले you have to categorize your subject, whether you are weak in the subject, whether you are mediocre in the subject, and whether you are strong hold on that subject. ये आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? Let's say in the custom modules or in the test, you solve or you get less than 50% marks. आपका weak subject है. If you get 50 to 70% of the marks, it's a mediocre subject for you. And if you get more than 70% of the marks, it's a strong subject for you. हमारा target है कि हम सब subjects को strong category में लेके आए. Okay? Now, for example, it's a weak subject. You must have 3 or 4 weak subjects. You must have 3 or 4 strong subjects. जो majority of the subjects होगा वो medium range में ही lie करेगा. So for a weak subject, where you're getting less than 50% marks, आपको क्या करना है? First of all, you will watch a video. Now here time is left, so we'll watch a rapid revision video. Okay? Rapid revision video देखा, उसको याद किया, book को बंद करके या video को बंद करके you will do the active recall of whatever you have watched. जहाँ पे भी you get stuck, you go back to the video of the portions where you're getting stuck. Okay? Do this for the entire video, then you will come to solving PYQs. Okay? 5 years of NEET PG, 2 years of FMGE, 3 years of I9. Whenever you're getting stuck, जो question wrong हुआ है, जो question आपने guess किया है, जो question skip किया है, you go back to the video part of only those portions. Basically हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? हम लोग ने पढ़ाई की, हम लोग ने लैकुनी फाइंड किया और हम वापस अपने नोट्स पे गए. हमने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किया, हमने लैकुनी फाइंड किया, हमने वापस अपने नोट्स पे गए. Then you will do a TND, test and discussion. Okay, here I will recommend you that watch the full video. You give the TND, solve the entire questions and watch the full video. Let's see 1.5x आपको जल्दी हो जाएगा. And lastly, you will do a custom module of that subject. Okay. Now the subjects which are medium for you, where you're getting 50 to 70% of the marks, most of the subjects आपका यही होगा, ठीक है? What you will do, here you don't have to watch the videos. The difference is you will open your notes and do the active recall. Suppose for example, surgery is a medium subject for me. So I'll open my surgery notebook, I'll see the portion, ठीक है? यहाँ पे अक्लेशिया कार्डिया लिखा है. What I'll do, I'll try to recall कि अक्लेशिया कार्डिया के बारे में मुझे क्या-क्या पता है, okay? After that, I'll go back to my notes. जो भी मुझे नहीं पता है, I'll just read that portion. Okay, I'll do this for all the topics. Then I'll come to the second step, that is solving PYQs. Again, I will find out the lacunae, कहाँ पे मेरा गलत हो रहा है, कहाँ पे मेरा concept weak है, कहाँ पे I have skipped the question, and again I'll go back to the notes of the portions where I'm weak at. Then again I'll do a TND. Here also I recommend you watch the full because you're 50 to 70%. You don't have a strong hold on the subject. You have to watch the full TND and then do a custom module. Lastly, for a strong subject where you're getting more than 70% of the marks. So the first step remains the same. You will open your book, hide the topic और उस टॉपिक के बारे में जो पता है वो सब बोलोगे, एक्टिव रिकॉल करोगे, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप. एक्टिव रिकॉल करोगे, जहाँ भी लैकुनी है यू गो बैक टू द नोट्स. सॉल्व द PYQs, जहाँ भी लैकुनी है यू गो बैक टू योर नोट्स. द स्टेप्स आर नॉन नेगोशिएबल. देन यू विल डू अ TND. नाउ हियर इन TND इफ यू गेटिंग मोर देन 70% मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ही आपका करेक्ट हो रहा है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, इंस्टेड ऑफ वॉचिंग द फुल वीडियो ऑफ द TND, you will just watch the wrong ones ka video solutions. And finally, you will do the custom module. Okay. Now the steps which are written in red and the steps which I have highlighted are very important. Obviously, active recall is very important because that's what you're going to do in the exam. And secondly, PYQ is very important because ultimately you are going to do the questions there.